Hey SAP superstars, I'm Durva from ZaranTech, and today we are about to turn complexity into clarity with some absolutely mind-blowing transformation stories that'll make you say incredible. What if I told you that 77% of world's transaction revenue flows through SAP systems? That's a staggering $16 trillion in consumer purchases annually, and that 99 out of the 100 largest companies globally trust SAP with their most critical operations. Today, we are diving deep into how SAP didn't just upgrade these companies, it completely revolutionized their DNA. Let's start with a company that knows a thing or two about perfection: Apple. Now, when Apple decided to go SAP, they didn't just implement a system, they orchestrated a symphony of efficiency. With $385.6 billion in revenue, Apple leverages SAP for supply chain optimization, inventory management, and their famous customer experience. But here's the kicker. Apple's Mac program at SAP itself has over 30,000 employees who chose Mac, creating what they call the most knowledgeable, satisfied, and productive workforce. Time for a ZaranTech reality check. Apple's success with SAP is like the perfect Bollywood dance sequence. Every move is synchronized, every step is calculated, and the end result is pure magic. They have turned their global supply chain into a choreographed masterpiece. Now, let's talk about the retail giant that processes 500 billion transactions yearly, Walmart. With $648.1 billion in revenue, they are not just big, they're SAP absolutely massive. Walmart implemented SAP S4HANA and SAP HANA Business Intelligence platform to handle their mind-boggling scale. The result? They can now process their enormous transaction volume with unprecedented speed and accuracy. We are talking about a company that serves to 30 million customers weekly across 27 countries. Here is a challenge for you. Imagine managing inventory for 10,500 stores worldwide without real-time data. Impossible, right? That's exactly why Walmart's SAP transformation wasn't just an upgrade, it was a survival strategy. Let's shift gears to healthcare, because when lives are at stake, there's no room for system failures. Siemens Healthineers, with its $25.6 billion revenue, chose SAP as its digital backbone for pioneering breakthroughs in healthcare. Using SAP S4HANA and SAP Business Network, they have revolutionized how medical technology integrates with patient care. They're not just manufacturing medical devices, they're crafting the future of healthcare delivery. Siemens Healthineers' SAP journey is like the climax of a medical drama where technology becomes the hero. They have turned complex healthcare processes into streamlined, life-saving operations. It's not just about efficiency, it's about saving lives faster and more accurately. But wait, there's more. Let me share something that'll absolutely astound you. Inventec Group, a leading electronics manufacturer, achieved a 90% efficiency improvement in accessing operational data and 10x faster production order settlement after implementing SAP S4HANA Cloud. And here is the plot twist. Forrester Consulting found that companies using SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition achieved a 155% ROE over 3 years with payback in just 9 months. We are talking about $4.8 million in total value for a composite organization. SAP transforms ordinary business processes into extraordinary competitive advantages. And that's how we transform SAP confusion into SAP confidence. Remember, at ZaranTech, we don't just teach SAP, we make you unstoppable. If this video helped you level up your SAP game, show some love with a like, subscribe for more SAP wisdom, and ring that notification bell because your SAP success story is just beginning. Drop your SAP challenges in the comments below. I read every single one, and your question might inspire our next video. And remember, if you are ready to join the ranks of these global SAP superstars, ZaranTech's comprehensive SAP training programs are your gateway to transformation. Until next time, this is Durva signing off from ZaranTech, where knowledge meets success.